Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Z-Wave devices in SmartThings without losing pairing, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Z-Wave devices in SmartThings without losing pairing, first, ensure that your SmartThings hub is powered on and connected to the internet. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. From the home screen, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the Z-Wave device that you want to update from the list. Tap on the device to open its settings page. Check for any firmware update notifications on this page. If an update is available, tap on the Update button. Wait for the app to download the firmware. The app will notify you when the download is complete. Once downloaded, the app will begin installing the update to your device. This process may take a few minutes, during which the device may become unresponsive. Do not remove the device or unplug it during this time. After the installation is complete, the device will automatically restart. Verify that the device is still listed in your SmartThings app. If it is listed, perform a quick test to ensure it functions as expected. If the device has any issues, you can reset it by following the manufacturer's instructions. Once you confirm functionality, you have successfully updated your Z-Wave device without losing pairing in SmartThings. Remember to check for updates regularly to keep your devices running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.